Hello guys and welcome to Coding with Noob. Today I will be teaching you how to download Python. So first of all, what you have to do is just search here Python download. Let me search it first. Okay, you just have to hit enter now. This window will appear. Just click on download Python and it will open python.org/downloads. Now you don't have to do anything else. You just have to click here Python 3.10.2. For you it may be different version as currently this is the latest version, or you can specifically download according to your OS, that is Linux, Mac OS, anything else. I have Windows, so I just have to click here. It will automatically download it like this, Python 3.10.amd64.exe. Just click on show in folder. It will open a folder. Okay, so it is downloaded. Just click on Python and it will open a menu automatically. Just run it. As I have already installed Python 3.10 version, which is latest version, so it is saying me to modify, repair, uninstall. For you it will only say that install, but I want to make something clear. Just click on all of these 4 files, because it will be necessary for coding purposes. Just don't forget to check all of these 4 files so that it will be useful for future purposes, and just install it. Okay, so after installing you need to check whether it is installed correctly or not. For this you just have to open Windows PowerShell, which you can easily open by just right clicking on your start menu and finding the Windows PowerShell. Let me open so that I can show you properly. So Windows PowerShell is now open. You just have to search for Python like this, Python, and just click enter. If you have installed Python correctly, it will automatically show you 3.10.2 or whatever version that is installed on your Windows. And congratulations, your Python is successfully installed. And just click here, right bracket open and bracket close, and hit enter so that it will get safely exited. Thank you so much for watching. For more tutorials like this, please hit the subscribe button. And I am so sorry for my language, as I don't speak English. So yeah.